Y'all. So, I'm so glad that y'all have enjoyed my classroom setup series. However, it's time to move forward to the next big thing, okay? So, I've already mentioned it before that I got a lot of items from Donors Choose, which is an amazing website where teachers are able to request items for their classroom. Now, listen. My items came in last week, but I said I wanted to do a video so I could show you guys exactly how this process works. Now, if you haven't already done so, be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all social media platforms. So listen, let's see. Because by now I've kind of forgotten what I've ordered or requested, but let's see what I got. So if you look at this, then you can tell that I definitely got this from Amazon. I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but Amazon definitely has like an education section, or maybe some people refer to it as, oh gosh, Amazon for Business. Oh look, this is on the side, it's really cute. They ship this right to my school. So let's open this up and see what's in here. Okay, so not in any particular order. Let's just take the things out. This looks like dividers, pack of 6 sets. Okay, so I got that. So let's just put that down here. A bunch of paper. Oh, a hole punch, heavy duty. Well, medium heavy duty. Let's set that down right here. And I'll open everything once I take everything out of the box. Got 3 pack of scissors. Okay, so I forgot what the heck this is that I ordered. Hold on, let's see. Let's put this down. I think this is my paper shredder. Let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all. If this is my paper shredder, I'm finna start hollering. I'm gonna start hollering. Dun, dun, dun. Y'all, oh my gosh, listen. I have needed a paper oh my gosh, hold on. Y'all, I have needed a paper shredder legit for the longest. And I am so thankful that someone donated to my Donors Choose project that I don't even know who these people are. But thank God for those people, because there's so many times where you get like confidential paperwork that you don't want to just throw away in the trash can as a teacher, because then you'll risk someone finding out information that nobody's supposed to get a hold of. But now that I have a paper shredder in my class, now I can get rid of things the proper way. I am so thankful. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So here's my final box. It looks like this is where all of the fun stuff is. So I got some envelopes because, baby, I always need freaking sealable envelopes and I can never find them. Let's put that down in my cute pink refrigerator I got from Walmart. And what is this right here? I bet you these are pencils. Oh, y'all, listen. Hold on. Okay, so pre-sharpened wood case pencils. Let me show y'all what these are like in person. So it's something about these Amazon Basic. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, well, there's something about these pre-sharpened Amazon pencils that I thought that my students were just being extra about, but they love them. And once I actually saw the quality, crazy quality pencils, right? But once I saw the quality of these pencils, I'm in love. Okay, there we go. It has the Amazon Basics, like I said, the good kind of eraser, and pre-sharpened. So what I did was I ordered, I believe, 2 boxes of pre-sharpened pencils. Number 2, I'm telling you, this is the good quality. I also have these pencils in my Amazon store, and you can find my Amazon store below in the description box. I'm trying to put y'all on because, baby, don't sleep on Amazon Basics, okay? Amazon Basics has, look, Amazon Basics, Amazon Basics, Amazon Basics. Amazon Basics. Amazon Basics has all of the things that you need for your classroom. Like I said, I have my pencils on my Amazon wish list, or my Amazon store, whatever you want to call it today, child. But I also have so many other things that you need for your classroom. Click the link in my description box and check out my Amazon link so that you can get all of the items that you need. And listen, if you have Amazon Prime, baby, you can order today and it'll be here by 2 more days. So yeah. Okay, so I got 2 packs of pencils. Let's sit those right there. What are these? What did I order? What did I order? Oh, my laptop stand! No more hunching over to see my freaking laptop. So let's set that somewhere, child. I hope it doesn't fall over. And what is this last item that I ordered? My crayons! Y'all, I know it seems like I'm just being so extra about this, but I freaking love, I don't know. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 times 4, 24. I hope I'm not calculating wrong. If so, please don't judge me. But a 24 pack of crayons, if that makes any sense. And I just wanted the regular colors. Y'all, this excites me so freaking much. I almost can't even take it. Now I'm going to have to buy little dollar things to go on each table. So let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 tables. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'll probably go by the Dollar Tree or somewhere and get 6. Do I want to do that? Do I want to do that? I don't know. You know what? I'll probably just keep these tucked away because I don't want my crayons to be broken and all those things. So I'll probably keep these tucked away until it's time to bring them out. So I have 5 classes, I believe. Wait, do I? So I'm going to find a place to put these, and I'll just distribute them out when we actually do them for an assignment. So here are my new scissors. I got a 3-pack, and if you look at them closely, then the Amazon Basics logo is on there. And I'm gonna hide these because if you know, you know. Scissors do not last in a classroom. And you know, I don't even think it's the students taking them. I think it's other teachers that are stealing scissors out of other teachers' classrooms. So here's the hole punch. It looks pretty, you know, self-explanatory. We can move this box and put it out the way. Let's put this in here so that it's easier to carry. I'm all about being easier. So let's see. I guess you just put the paper in this way and just push it down. Wait, so what does this do then? What does this do? What does this do? Oh, okay. It took me a while. So, okay, here you go right here. I guess these are the locks. So what I'll do is I'll just go put this over there somewhere. Okay, so, oh, y'all. I really did this, honey. No, y'all did that because y'all are the ones that donated. So I got 6 of these divider sets. And so I've tried to just do the whole students just come with basic supply things. I don't know why this is hanging out, but whatever. I've tried to do the whole students just come with basic supplies thing. And to be honest, I almost feel like I've cheated my past students because it's something about having a binder, an organized binder that holds you accountable and it keeps you organized. And what I'm going to do with these dividers, I almost said binders, what these dividers are, I've put it on my supply list for my classroom. So the students that don't have them, I just have 6 extra ones. That way everybody can have some. I want them to have paper copies of a lot of things, but instead of them turning certain things in, I want them to keep them in their binder. And we'll just make it work like that. Of course, they're going to turn in some things for me to grade, right? But then once they get it back, I want them to put it in their binders. I want them to have a high school level course binder. They need to have a bell ringer section. They need to have bell ringer. They need to have a reading section, a notes and outline section. They need to have a quizzes and tests, CFA, common form assessment section. They need to have a section where they have their grades handed back to them. And I'm also requiring that they have a folder in their binder and a notebook in their binder. So yes, my kids will be the bum.com this year, and they're going to be extra prepared. And I just put my laptop stand together, and this is what it looks like. So when I actually bring my laptop from over there to over here, I'll just set it up here and I can just type sitting straight up. So again, I am so thankful that there are people out there that really support teachers, because a lot of people don't know, but there are a lot of teachers out there that have to buy school supplies with their own money. And it's no secret that teachers are undervalued, put it like that. I wish that more people would understand, that when we decide to become a teacher and stay a teacher, it's literally for the kids. Every single year around back to school time, you start to see like school supply lists go up, and you also see parents complaining and, why do they have to have this? Why do they have to have that? But the thing is, like, if you only knew, next time you see a list the next time you see a list for your child or any student, just know that teacher might have a reason as to why they're requiring that child or that student to have that specific supply. 9 times out of 10 is because the teacher could not get it herself. And also, with Sister Rona still running rampant, you don't really want to be sharing supplies like that. So yeah, thank you so much to you guys for supporting us on Donors Choose and supporting our Amazon classroom wish list and really legit clearing lists for teachers. I can't thank you enough. That's going to be the end of this video. I think I'm going to do like a try-on haul, because I ordered a whole bunch of cute clothes off Shein or Shein or however you say it. And like I said, I'm really trying to be myself with how I dress to work this year. I am one of the ones that loves to dress professional. I'm not saying that I don't always dress professional, because I definitely don't always dress professional. But I love the fact that I have a career where I can wear certain things, meaning I can wear like the work clothes. So I think I'm going to do a try-on haul, and I've been doing really good. I am going to continue to try to upload once a week, and it's so easy to say that, but I know once school starts, we're going to be so all over the place, and I'm not going to be thinking about any YouTube videos, or I don't know. So it's been real, you guys. It's been fun. Hopefully you've enjoyed my Donors Choose haul. If you are interested in creating a Donors Choose project, just click the Donors Choose link in the description box and you can start your own. And you can also copy and paste the links into all your friends and family members too, especially on the Facebooks and the Instagrams and the Twitters. But yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all social media platforms. Okay? Don't be fake. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.